Derek here at the Closet Doctor, and we're working this morning. The guys are over here in the shop, 3S in our drilling area and our door storage area. Hey, stay to the end. I've got cultural improvements that you'll really like at the Closet Doctor. So I went to clean the flag, and I was looking for the extendo pole duster here. Couldn't find it. It was tucked away in the corner over there. So I said, we need a place for that. So we've put a hook on the wall here next to the ladders and the brooms. We put a label on it. And we put a marker where to hang it because it's kind of long. While I was looking for screws for that, and I reached in this screw bin, and it had a bunch of our other stuff in there. So I took some time and I 3S this and left it better than I found it. And then while I was here, I realized somebody did some fine welding on that. I don't know who it was, but it wasn't that great, and it was probably me. So we're gonna wheel that over here in a minute, and we're gonna weld that up. So then I went to look for some other screws, and I found, I'm gonna fix that when I'm done with the video here. I needed in here, and this box was not cut out. This had been put in here and been rolled over, and you couldn't get to this. So it took some time, and I cut the box out so that it's got a slot on it. And we did that on 2 or 3 other ones. And now that I'm over here, I see these fast caps that got knocked off here. And so I'm gonna take a second. We're gonna fix that and leave it better. That's part of my 3S today. I was looking for something in the storage, and we had this unit here. This is an edge banding coil heater that doesn't work and was given to me for free. So you can tell that I'm enamored with it and was gonna keep it forever. And we have thrown it out and have no more attachment to it, and it's not taking up any more space. So the other day I did some 3S and an improvement in the bathroom, and I had some Velcro and stuff on here. So I came in today and I cleaned up the board. And then I said, you know what this bathroom needs? We're always looking for cultural improvement here at the Closet Doctor. So we added some fine artwork, got the Mona Lisa in the bathroom here. So now everybody can enjoy a little bit of culture while they're doing their business. Hope everybody had a good day. Keep on leaning things out, guys.